family. So here we are at my favorite salon. I just talked to you guys about weekly washes or bi-weekly washes. I'm doing my best to follow this routine the best way I can. I have noticed a big difference in my hair just from doing this for a short amount of time. So today, Karen is going to be washing my hair. Karen is the owner and the manager of this boutique or hair salon. She is just wetting my hair to get the process started. And see here, they always use the steam treatment when they wash your hair. This treatment is amazing because it opens up the pores, it cleans the scalp really good, it makes the hair soft, and it feels really good. So I always love when they use it. So anyway, she is moving on to the next step here, which is scrubbing my scalp. This is the reason why washing your hair every week or every 2 weeks is important, because scrubbing your scalp like this gets rid of all of the oils, it gets rid of the debris, the dirt, the buildup from product. It just gets rid of everything to allow your hair to grow freely, cleanly, and naturally. I don't know, I just made that up, but this is important. It is important to get your scalp clean. That is the only way you're going to see health in your hair. Keeping it dirty for months and months and months is not going to grow your hair. It's just going to clog your pores. It's going to block all of the healthy, beautiful hair from coming through. It's going to clog. It's just not a good sight. So yes, it's very important to keep your hair washed. All right, so as you can see here, she is combing through my hair with a lot of ease, and this also is something that I had to work my way up to. Before, combing through my hair like this was a lot because it would get tangled, my arms would get tired, my hair would break and fall out. It was just a mess. But keeping your hair washed every week or every 2 weeks and also trimming it makes it very easy to deal with, and it makes it so that you can comb it like this with no resistance whatsoever. After that, she's just rinsing it off. It feels really good, y'all. This is my favorite thing to do nowadays. As you guys know, I used to wash my hair myself, and I'm gonna go back to doing that here soon, but I'm just in so much of a transition right now. I'm going from one state to another almost on a weekly basis, so I don't have time to really do my hair. So it's nice to have a place that I can go to get it done. So this, y'all, is what the fro looks like. Y'all know my hair shrinks, so I don't want to hear anything. My hair shrinks a lot. Yes, it has gotten much shorter than it usually is, but it also shrinks. Okay, so that is what the fro looks like. So Karen is just going to go ahead and blow dry it here for me to get some of that shrinkage out and to see if she needs to, cut anything. I am not worried about the length at all. As I keep saying, the length is not a thing to me anymore because I know that I can grow my hair. You guys have seen my hair all the way down to mid-back length. I know that I can do that again if that's what I want. But right now, the main focus and the priority is health. We want to get our hair back to a healthy state. So if you need to cut, if you need to trim, whatever you need to do it, because you are going to see a big difference. You are going to set yourself up for success, and you are going to be grateful that you did. But see what I was talking about with the shrinkage? Look how long it looks versus how short it looked before when it was wet. You can't trust natural hair at all. Anyway, this is what my hair looks like. It feels really good. Again, just having somebody else's hands in your hair feels really good. So she's all done with the blow drying, as you can see here. Again, we're trying to get back to health. That's the main priority. She's going to cut whatever she needs to cut as far as my ends go, and we're going to get back to where we need to be. So anyway, after washing my hair, I told her I didn't want to flat iron it. However, I wanted to be able to wear my wigs because I am busy while I'm down here and I don't have time to really do anything with my natural hair. So she suggested that we do some twist. So she knows how to do flat twist. So that is what she's doing for me here. So she's just going to put some mousse in my hair. And I think she added oil. I'm not sure. But yeah, she's just flat twisting it for me, and that is little Miss Nadia running around the place like she owns it. And now she wants to be a mama's girl for like 2 seconds, and then she's gonna get up and run away again. But yes, that is what Karen is doing here. She is just flat twisting my hair. This is very nice because not only can I wear my hair like this in the flat twist for a little bit, but if I'm going to like a formal event, or if I just want to look dolled up or really, I don't know, overly done, I can wear a wig. But I can walk around my house or my neighborhood with my hair in the twist like this, and it's really nice. All I have to do is lay my edges, make sure that maybe the ends are tucked in really nicely, and I'll show you at the end here. And it's actually a really nice hairstyle. And the second thing with the flat twist is that after a while, maybe a day or two, you can actually take the twist out and it looks like you have curls. So this style or protective style serves as, I guess, 1 or 2 styles. That's just me messing with Nadia, and she loves it when I do that because she loves attention. And she's gonna run away and go do her own thing again. So yes, Karen is just done with the flat twist. She's going to put it together in a nice little bun in the back of my head just to make it look nice and neat. And then I'm going to just do a little bit of baby hair. You guys, when my actual hair got affected by the whole breakage and damage, my edges really suffered as well. My edges right now are not in the best state that they could be in. My edges suffered when you're stressed and stuff. Like, everybody loses hair in different ways. For me, I have really thick hair, but my edges have never been my strongest points. My daughter also has the same thing I'm starting to see. She has beautiful thick hair, but her edges are not, you know, super thick like the rest of her hair. So that is a genetic thing, and that's okay. But right now, I wouldn't say that my edges are in the best state ever. They have suffered just like the rest of my hair, as you can see here. So I'm just gonna work on that. I'm gonna try to keep the faith, and look who came to visit. All right, so she's done, and she's telling me that I should come back. Karen agrees with the once a week or once every 2 week wash day as well. She washes her hair every morning from what she told me. And when you see her hair, it shows it. She has beautiful, thick, curly hair, and it just looks healthy and beautiful. So she's definitely a big advocate for washing your hair very frequently. So this is what my twist out looks like. This is little Miss Nadia again running around the place. She's ready to go. And yeah, so that is it for today's video, y'all. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you haven't joined the natural hair journey and you want to join, please comment natural hair down below. If you haven't joined the family, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, don't forget to hit the bell notification so you never miss another video. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, because that is where I post more often. Thank you guys again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.